Hello, teacher. Welcome to session 100.
Yes, all right. We are very happy to uh, be with you for 100 sessions.
Me
That's an
too.
honor.
Me
I
too.
hope you enjoy the videos. If you like the videos, please subscribe to our channels and hit the likes button. Also turn on the notification bell. Today we want to start the unit. It's lesson A, away for the weekend. Let me ask you a question, Mr. T. What do you do for weekend fun?
For weekend fun,
Yes.
I usually go to the park and sit on the bench and listen to the music. That's it.
Okay. Yes. People do different things. Like you said, I go to the park. Some people go to the movies. Some play sport. Some go to the concert. There are different activities for weekend fun. Now, let's look at this picture. Here we have the picture of Anita. Her name is Anita, okay? Where is she?
She's in the office.
She's at work in the office, right? And what is she doing?
I can't see. She's working. She's
Yes, she's working, talking on the phone,
yeah, yes, yes.
and she has a lot of,
She's talking on cell phone.
yes, and she has a lot of work, right? She's very busy.
Yeah.
And if you look at the calendar, it's the weekend. So she doesn't have free time to spend for fun. She is talking on the cell phone and she's busy. Now, let's look at the pictures of Anita's friends. Okay, so where are they? What are they doing? Are they having fun?
Yes, on they are going to snowboarding.
Snowboarding, yes. So it's cold, they want to go skiing or snowboarding, and it's very fun. Next picture. How about this friend? What is he doing and where is he?
Right or left,
The one on the right.
and they are playing tennis. Yes.
And what's the weather like? Is it rainy, snowy, sunny?
No, no, it's sunny.
It's sunny, yes. Okay. And this picture, what are they doing?
They are relaxed on the beach.
On the beach, right? Okay, good. So we want to listen to this conversation between Anita and her friends and answer the question. Look at the pictures. Where's Anita? Okay. Listen, what's the weather like in each place? What's the weather like? Okay. Please listen and tell me what's the weather like in each place. In Anita's work, here, on the beach, and on the tennis court. Let's let's listen.
Page 66, Unit 7, Out and About. Lesson A, Away for the Weekend. 1. Getting started. B. Listen. What's the weather like in each place?
It's 2:30 p.m. on Saturday, and Anita is at work in San Francisco. She usually relaxes on Saturdays, but she's working this weekend. Right now, she's taking a break and listening to her voicemail. All her friends are having fun. Saturday, 8:45 a.m. Hi, Anita. This is Yoko. I'm calling from a ski resort in Lake Tahoe. Lisa and I are skiing today. It's so beautiful here, and there's lots of snow. It's snowing right now. I'm sorry you're working. What's the weather like in San Francisco? Give me a call. Bye. Saturday, 10:20 a.m.
Hi, it's Bill. Listen, Marcos and I are at the beach in Santa Cruz. Come and join us. Don't worry, we're not swimming. It's too cold and cloudy. See you.
Saturday, 11:15 a.m.
Hey, Anita. This is Nathan. I'm in San Jose with Katie and Rob. They're playing tennis, and I'm watching. It's nice and sunny. I hope it's not raining there. Call me. Bye.
Okay, this is it. Well, now can you tell me what's the weather like in Yoko's place? Look at Yoko's picture. Ski.
Snow.
It's snowy. Yes. How about in Santa Cruz? Here in the beach, Santa Cruz.
It's it's cold and cloudy.
Cold and cloudy. And how about in San Jose?
Sunny. It's sunny.
Yes, it's nice and sunny. Very good. Okay. Now, thank you very much. Well, at the end of this class, I want to ask you guys who are watching this clip to look at this picture here, this picture, and look at the window and tell me what's the weather like.
Please calm
Please look at
down.
the window.
Please calm down. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Please look at the window and tell me what's the weather like in this place. Thank you for watching this video and see you in next session. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.